Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to delete WhatsApp chat history. First step is open your WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Then open a chat you want to delete. Then tap on the name of the group or individual chat. Then scroll down and tap clear chat. Then tap delete all messages. Then tap back. Now you can see all chat is clear on your group.
There is also a problem with this video. So ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.